Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Here we have a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am Ram Air WS6 car for sale. It's got a clean Carfax report. As you can see, the upgraded wheels on the Pontiac with T-tops there, and they're in excellent condition. This vehicle, guys, is ready to go. Beautiful black leather automatic overdrive transmission. And I will start it up in a little bit. Power seats, as you can see there. Just a stock car. It is a WS6 on the RPO tag here. Okay, right there. Okay. Low miles, which I'll show you in a bit here. All the gaps, all the fitment here, everything looks pretty good on the car. I think you're going to be very happy with it. I don't think any disappointments. It does blow cold air conditioning. Nice oil change on the car. And listen, she's ready to go. We do have several of these WS6s here in stock, so you might want to check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. Everything functions like it should. 59,919 miles. Sounds great. Look at that steering wheel. Perfect condition, guys. There you have it. If you need pictures, please go to MGMClassicCars.com. You can see over 75 photos that were taken on this beautiful WS6 now for sale. If you need financing, you will need about, I would say, $2,600 down. And the second thing that you're going to need is good credit. Okay, and we can get this car financed for you with a very low payment. So you can check out the credit application at MGMClassicCars.com. For delivery, please call or text me. I do prefer text message. And you can send that text message to area code 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. My name is Thomas.